Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. Exams are just around the corner. I know. But don't you worry. Today we're going on an exciting adventure. And by the end of it, you're not just going to be ready for your exam, you'll be a total map master. So, are you ready? Let's begin.
But before we even look at our maps, have you ever just stopped and wondered about this? How do these amazing birds fly across entire countries, thousands of kilometers, without a single map? They don't have Google Maps, right? But they always find their way. It's incredible. Just take this beautiful Siberian crane, for example. Every single year, it flies from super cold Siberia all the way to warm, sunny India. Can you imagine that journey? And it does it all without a map. Now, what if I told you that you have that same amazing sense of direction locked away inside you? Well, today, we're going to find the key.
All right, here's our plan for today's adventure. It's like a video game with 5 awesome levels. First, we'll learn about the magic of directions. Then we'll go on our first map adventure, take on a cool City Explorer challenge, and finally, face the final quest. If you can beat all 5, you'll officially be a map pro. Ready for level 1? Let's do this.
Okay, welcome to level 1, the magic of directions. Every great explorer needs a compass, Bicho, and this is where we're going to build yours. So, eyes here, let's get this first step right together.
So, everything, and I mean everything, in the world of maps starts with these 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. These are called the cardinal directions, and trust me, they're the best friends you'll have on any journey.
All right, time for a quick little puzzle, straight from your book. Imagine your friend Manu is facing the rising sun. So, which way is east? And once you figure that out, where are north, west, and south? Cholo, pause here for a second and give it a try. I know you can do it.
So, did you get it? Of course you did. It's actually super simple, isn't it? The sun always rises in the east, so that's where Manu is looking. That means west has to be directly behind him. Now, if you just put your arms out, your left hand points to the north and your right hand points to the south. See, it's a simple trick that works every single time. And level 1 complete. Fantastic work, everyone. Now that you've got your compass sorted, let's jump to level 2 and actually use it. It's time to read our very first treasure map. Okay, look at this. We're at a bird watching camp, and our mission is to color these tents using 4 clues. Ready? Clue number 1. The tent to the west of the road is blue. Okay, let's find the road. West is to the left, so this one right here becomes blue. Got it. Clue 2. The tent closest to the lake is green. Let's color that one in. Clue 3. The tent north of the green tent is purple. So that's the one right above it. Perfect. And last one, clue 4. The tent south of the lake is yellow. And there we go. All done. See? You're already a natural at this.
Okay, next up. Oh no, look, Golu is running late for his zoo trip. We have to help him find the nearest bus stop, fast. Look at the map. Can you see his house? Now, which stop is closer for him, S1 or S2? Let's quickly trace the path, from his house to S1 and from his house to S2. And yup, S2 is definitely the shorter way. Phew, we did it. Golu made it to the bus. Great teamwork.
You guys are just flying through these levels, so let's turn up the difficulty a little. Welcome to level 3, the City Explorer Challenge. Now this metro map might look a little crazy at first, but I promise, with the right secret tool, it's actually pretty simple. Let's go conquer the metro maze. Whoa, look at that. It's the Delhi metro map. So many lines, so many colors. It looks a bit complicated, doesn't it? But as I always say, tension nahi lene ka. Don't you worry at all. There is a secret to reading any map, no matter how complex it looks, and I'm about to share it with you.
And here it is, the big secret, the map's key. Some people also call it a legend. You should think of it like a secret decoder ring. It tells you exactly what every color and every symbol on the map means. See here? The red line is line 1, the yellow is line 2, and so on. This little box is the secret to understanding the whole map.
Okay, time for a mission. Using our map and our new secret decoder, we need to find the shortest way to get from Qutb Minar Station to Supreme Court Station. Let's see, Qutb Minar is on the yellow line, and Supreme Court, yep, that's on the blue line. So how are we going to get from one to the other?
So, it looks like we have a couple of choices. We could go along the yellow line and change trains at Rajiv Chowk to get on the blue line.
Or we could take a much longer route with 2 changes, one at Haas and another at Botanical Garden. If we actually count the number of stations for both routes, the path through Rajiv Chowk is much, much shorter. So that's our winner. Shabash, my dear students. Well done.
You have defeated the mighty Metro Maze, which means it is time for the final quest, the boss level. Are you ready for this one? This is where we learn the true secret code of the Map Masters.
This secret code is called coordinates. Basically, it's a pair of numbers that helps you find an exact location on a grid. The easiest way to remember how it works is to think about finding your seat in a cinema hall. First, you walk along the horizontal corridor to find your row number, right? And then you go up the vertical stairs to find your seat. Always remember, corridor first, then stairs.
Okay, let's try this out on our Zoom app. See the numbers along the bottom? That's our corridor. And the numbers running up the side? Yep, those are our stairs. Using these, we can find any animal with a simple 2-number code. So let's test it out. Get ready for a quick-fire round. First question. What animal will you find at the secret code location 2-6? Now remember the rule. First, walk along the corridor to number 2. Then, climb the stairs up to number 6. So what do you see there?
Yes, it's the adorable panda. You got it. See how easy that was? Corridor 2, stairs 6, and boom, you find the panda. Perfect.
Okay, now it's your turn. Can you find the majestic lion on the map? Once you spot him, tell me his secret code. First, look for the corridor number at the bottom and then the stairs number on the side. Go on, pause here, and find the coordinates for the lion. And you did it. Adventure complete. You've finished all the levels, you defeated the final boss, and now you are officially a map pro. I am so proud of all of you.
Just look at all the new superpowers you've unlocked today. You can find directions using the sun. You can solve map clues like a detective. You can find your way through a huge city metro, and you can even use secret codes like a spy. That's just fantastic.
So, my map masters, I'll leave you with one final thought. If you were to create a treasure map of your very own room, what's the first secret symbol you would add to your map key? Maybe a special little drawing for your bed or for your study table. Give it a thought. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Revise this well, and all the very, very best for your exams. You are going to do brilliantly.